Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear cookies for a specific site in Firefox. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Method 1. Open Mozilla Firefox browser. Click on the three lines, which is on the right top of the window. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Options. Then, Options tab will open. Select Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Cookies and Site Data section, and click on Manage Data. Then, a window will pop up. Search for the site you want to clear cookies. Select the site from the results, and click on Remove Selected. After that, click on Save Changes. Then, a window will pop up. Again click on Remove. That's it, cookies are cleared. Method 2. Open Mozilla Firefox browser. Enter the website in the search bar, and go to that website. Click on the lock icon on the search bar. A pop-up will open. Click on Clear Cookies and Site Data. Then, a window will pop up. Select the site that you want to clear cookies, and click on Remove. That's it, cookies are removed. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.